fuck with MF Doom? Subscribe to the channel, bro. Peace, what up? This is Doc Blake with Ethereal TV, bringing you the 55th episode of the last piece to the puzzle. The motto for me is silver, gold, and cryptos equals freedom, because they are decentralized assets and they're going to play an important part in the immediate, the short term, and the long term futures. And before we get into the news today and what the episode is going to be about, let me do some house clearing. And you can go to ethereal.com and check out a copy of my cousin's book called Check This Out. It's about him traveling around the globe, seeing ancient ancestral sites, ancient civilizations, and bringing it to people in written form and pictures. And go check it out at the Ethereal website. Also, it's available on YouTube. And with that being said, let's get into the price action today. And currently we have Bitcoin sitting at $13,300.98. Ethereum is at $388.84. Bitcoin Cash is at $268.82. Binance Coin is at $30.40. Chainlink is at $11.49. Litecoin is at $55.82, and let's go check out Theta. Matter of fact, I'll give you Uniswap. Uniswap's been on a downtrend, so after they did that free 400 air token or airdrop of the Uniswap token, it went all the way up to $8, and as we're seeing, it kind of plummeted. So I hope that you can keep some, sell half on a double, as they say. But we're kind of back where we started with that token. So it was a good thing to kind of sell that and let it mature, right? It just came out. It was kind of good to take some profits off the table there. And let's talk about one of my favorites still, which is Theta Network. And Theta is sitting at 62 cents. It had a nice retracement as well. I mean, Bitcoin dominance is just kind of off the charts right now. Bitcoin is pummeling everything at about 61%. 61.4% Bitcoin dominance in the crypto market. That means 61.4% of the money is in Bitcoin. That is in the entire market cap of the cryptocurrency space, right? So Bitcoin was about down to 57, maybe 56 or something like that. And as we see, Bitcoin is reclaiming its dominance in the crypto market, kind of as to be expected. The altcoins can only pump but for so long without the main coin, which is Bitcoin, the one that has the market cap that is appealing to the big players, the guys with big money and the women with big money. They go for the top cryptocurrency most of the time, which is Bitcoin, because it's the most secure. Really, it's the most secure, and it is developing a store of value. And let's go into precious metals. Gold had a very, very nice retracement today as well at $1,884.79, and silver came down about $1. It's at $23.51. So silver, gold, and cryptos all kind of had I almost call it a nice healthy retracement. And of course we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. I haven't got to get on here because I've been waiting to get my MF Doom mask from illust.space. They got a deal with Doom to drop this NFT mask on of MF Doom, the hip hop artist, on the Ethereum blockchain. So I've been involved in that, kind of talking with them guys, trying to get the ERC 721 token all situated, so it came directly from MF Doom's wallet, and that will be the main topic of today. But with that being said, let's pull up the Bitcoin chart, because the Bitcoin has just been on a tear. I mean, stock is down, gold is down, silver is down, but Bitcoin is staying very, very, very strong. Too strong, if you ask me. I mean, I kind of thought we're due for a nice retracement, but who knows? I mean, you cannot say it's going to come back. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line, they say, but damn it, it's been looking like it for these last couple weeks in Bitcoin. And it hit up to 13.8, was a very nice profit time to take profit last night, to take a little bit off the top. And as I expected, I think I even put it in a video that we're probably going to have a nice retracement around the 13.7 level, and that's exactly what happened. So that was the great time to take profit. I took a little profit. I was waiting to see if it was going to try to hit that 14. It didn't, so I got out in a very, very small position. I keep the majority in cold storage in my savings account, just like everybody else. So keeping it safe, keep your money in your savings account. But this is the future of savings, the future of finances, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And so yeah, let's talk about what happened a little bit. So this is on the daily chart right here, and that's what I'm going to focus on, is the daily right now. I'm not going to go too much into charting today. I just want to show you what the target mark is on this move, which eventually I think will be above the $20,000 range this year potentially. You're not guaranteeing it, but nobody can, right? But this is the macro structure that we were in. As you see, we are out. So this was just the beginning, and this retracement is nothing. And if it comes back down, that's a gift, in my opinion, a very, very big gift. If Bitcoin comes back down at these levels, gives like it is now, it hit 13.8. It's not bad if you don't own any Bitcoin. It's not bad to start buying at these levels. This is not financial advice, but you should have bought yesterday, as they say. Dollar cost average in to the coin when you can, how you can. $20 here, even if it's $20 a month, $10 a month. This asset is the future of finances. It's the internet 2.0, as people are calling it. It's gold 2.0, and I suggest all parties get involved. But that's just my suggestion, my opinion. But this is where we're sitting on the macro. I think worst case scenario, I drew this blue line. I'm keeping it very simple today on the daily chart, and I think that we could come back down to 12K. If this bounce doesn't really happen, we might get a nice little sell-off back to around 12K. And that's kind of what, I'm not going to lie, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. I mean, but a lot of people are, so it might not happen, right? And that's okay. Even down to 12.4, you know what I mean? If it stays at these levels and bounces, man, we could be at 20K by Thanksgiving. Seriously, like, Bitcoin has the potential to move in such ways. So that's kind of where we're at. We did bust out of this macro chart, this macro triangle dating all the way back to what's that, March 2019. So yeah, March 2019. So we are out of this structure, and everybody has the same structure. So we all know that we are out. Will there be a big confirmation? I'm kind of thinking that it will be with this bounce off of the 2019 high. We didn't quite hit it, but we came really close to the 2019 high, up at that 13.9 level. But we didn't hit it. So that's kind of not a good thing, but I think it is, because we went up so fast. So this was a nice retracement as of now to kind of get the momentum to crash through that. The fact that we did it so fast is kind of like, all right, Bitcoin needs to come back a little bit to gain a little bit more volume, a little bit more momentum to bust through the 2019 high. But it still hasn't, which, we kind of all are rooting for it to happen before the end of the year. But there's still time, so be patient. Buy the dips, as they say, and be smart with your swaps and all that. Any movement that you make sure you're double checking and triple checking where you're sending and what you're sending it to. There's plenty of scams out there. There's like a ledger scam going around, so watch out for all that stuff, man. But I think that's all I really have on the price action. And yeah, the main topic of today is illust.space and the MF Doom ERC 721 token that they did. Quite a outstanding launch in my opinion. They actually are validating an MF Doom mask on the Ethereum blockchain. It comes directly from MF Doom. This auction started October 23rd, and as you will see, your boy Doc Blake did come out victorious with a MF Doom mask. And you want to know what I paid? 2.1 Ethereum. So you do the math on that. 2.1 ETH is what the mask was worth at my time of purchase. So I do have this token in my MetaMask wallet. It is a ERC 721. I'm hoping to be able to put it on display here in the near future. That's what the guys at illust.space are talking about. They're talking about OpenSea. I'm hoping as well as places like Decentraland, and on their own website, and just making it interactive in other places. But this is a 1 of 4 mask, and there is another drop tomorrow. I think there are going to be 2 masks, one of 1. So I'm curious to see what that auction is going to do tomorrow. This auction, I feel like maybe for them went pretty well. You know what I mean? 2.1 ETH for any NFT, but this is an autographed MF Doom mask, and that makes it, if you're a big Doom fan, man, that just makes it that much more exclusive. You can even see the autograph right here on this thing. But let's go to view collection, and I'm going to show you this real quick, how you can try it on and do all this cool stuff with it. This might not, it might not work right now, I don't know, but you can go check out illust.space, and you will see the things that you can do there. It's pretty neat in my opinion, all these little things that you can do with the Doom mask already. And yeah, it won't let me put it on, but you can go check the ether scans and all that, see the wallets, the 8 wallets that were the winners, and how those masks were distributed. It's all on the Ethereum's Etherscan ledger, and these things came directly from MF Doom. So definitely go check out illust.space if you're into hip hop, if you're into MF Doom. There is another drop tomorrow. They have a Discord. You know, do your research on all these things. Don't take my word for any of this stuff. I'm learning as well. But I thought this was really cool. I thought it was a really good opportunity. I love hip hop. I love cryptos. And to see one of my favorite artists and crypto combined is just outstanding and magnificent for the space and validation for the NFT space. And we're going to talk briefly about what an NFT is. It's a non-fungible token. Most of these NFTs are built on the Ethereum blockchain. They're one-of-a-kind tokens, or like 10 of a kind if there's 10 of them made, or in this case 1 of 4 of the green mask and 1 of 4 of the blue mask. And basically what validates this one is the fact that it came from MF Doom's Ethereum wallet, which is just so cool. I mean, that is like a double signature, and it also has a signature on the back, right? If you can see it right here, I'll blow it up real quick. See, you see it right there? Yeah, so that's pretty authentic. That's pretty dope. And that's little things that the crypto space have to offer. So that's what all the posting about. You know, the Doom mask, and Doom has been dropping these masks on Instagram, but those are just like ones that anybody can use. They're not validated on the Ethereum blockchain. There's only 4 of the actual green ones on the Ethereum blockchain, and 4 of the actual blue ones that have those signatures. So that's really cool. Write me if you want to know anything else about it, and I can try to lead you in the right direction of when these drops are happening with the illust.space. It's a new crypto company, a new crypto community, and they're doing some big things, as you see, getting these hookups with these rare artists. That, like, Doom is like a very, very deep underground style of artist for people that know. He keeps it legit as far as we know. I mean, as far as the hip hop goes and things like that, and he's a great artist. And I'm happy to be involved in that whole operation. I'm happy to be victorious in my bidding. And yeah, so that's right, all happening on Ethereum, all happening with MetaMask, and go check out illust.space. I also wanted to give you an update with my Emrit cool spot. I have my cool spot right here. This was the box. I'm not gonna show you the front, but I do have it hooked up, so I do have that link in my bio where you can go get your free airdrop hardware from Emirate. I think it's Emirate.io. Matter of fact, I'll pull it up for you real quick. Why not? Emirate.io. See, get a free Emirate cool spot today. It is the People's Network. You will be supporting a decentralized web by having a long fi cool spot set up in your house, and you will earn helium token for doing so. So go check that out. Go read the fine print on all these things, but these are very good opportunities. Crypto is a very new space, very young, so these opportunities are available. Unlike most other spaces that have matured, like the internet, to invest in, you have to have a lot of money. You're going against people like Verizon, AT&T, but crypto is a new space, blockchain technology. Who knows? Emirate could eventually evolve into being worth billions of dollars, as well as the Helium network. So pay attention to all these things. This is a great, fantastic opportunity. I worked with a guy named Peter Saddington back when he did a project called Yen. I hosted a crypto meetup for him. It went really well, and he's involved in this project as well. You can go check out his YouTube as well. And with that being said, on the last thing I really wanted to talk about today was, of course, the election. I wanted to give my viewpoints. Of course, not going to speak on who I would be voting for, or because you might not know, I might not even vote. I might not have never voted, but I'm not going to put any of that information out there, because my message is short and sweet. Is the fact that we, the people, we have to stick together. We have to stick together through all the craziness that's about to go on. You have the left, you have the right. Their whole plan is to divide us, but if the people stick together, and I have faith in the people, that people will stick together and don't become polarized, because of no matter who wins, do not be upset. Life will go on. Figure out your niche in life, and don't go against your fellow people, no matter what. Any type of color, race, gender, none of that matters. The matters that we stick together, because there are some big powers of evil out there trying to keep us divided for reasons to lace their pockets, to push their agenda, and we're not falling for it. We're not falling for it. I have faith, so don't be polarized. That is my viewpoint on the election. No matter who wins, keep your composure, right? Drunk or sober, never lose your composure. Stress on the brain cause pain and stomach ulcers. If you don't understand, then come closer. All right, that's RZA, all right? You know what I'm saying? So no matter what happens, keep your composure with the election. Do not get overly involved. Do your vote if you feel like you need to, but leave it at that. Let the world put the puzzle together. You don't have to put the puzzle together. That's why the show is called The Last Piece to the Puzzle. The puzzle actually puts itself together. You just have to be aware and watching how the pieces fall to see how the big puzzle comes together. And there's no way anybody can know that. Nobody knows the outcomes of these events. You can only try to predict them with probabilities to the best of your extent. So with that being said, maintain your magnetic muscle, y'all. If you haven't bumped the album Magnetic Muscle, go to the website and go to SoundCloud, look up Blake Zodok, and go play Magnetic Muscle, and maintain your balance in all of the polarization going on in these next couple weeks. And this is your boy Doc Blake with Ethereal TV. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.